Hello, good evening. I was just thinking, so I think I'm sharing it with you now, is that when you willingly help someone to win, you become a winner by yourself. And if you are helping somebody to win and you expect returns, you will be very disappointed. So, in order to be a winner that is successfully doing what he or she loves, there are a few things you must consider. Number one, that person have to be independently strong, not necessarily financially strong. Yeah, don't associate richness just with the dollar sign. Richness can come in many forms: in characters, in compassion, in wisdom, and so on. So when people say rich, don't just jump to the conclusion that they are showing off. They are looking down on something. When you have this kind of thoughts, you are coming from a poor mindset, a poor man mindset. It's not. I'm not saying that you are poor. It's just a poor man mindset. So when you want to win, you have to be fundamentally strong and rich in that area that you're helping people. Even if you are not, and when you're doing the sharing, the humbleness is also part of the richness that one can give. So in coaching, that's what we do. Honestly speaking, most of the time, we have no idea what to tell you unless you are willingly share, and it is a core of your being that you wanted the coaching. If not, you will be doing the merry-go-round, and you will waste your own time, especially when it's a paid program. And furthermore, you have lost the essence to think. The richness of you will be diluted in this situation. So when you want to be coached to win in any situation, pay 100% concentration of who you are, what you want to achieve, and who can help you. Now, this is only part of how you become a winner. There are more to it, but you have to start somewhere, and people like to win. So in this manner, I am encouraging you to win in your own character and be the richness that you can. Take care. Good evening again.